This episode of Paddle TV is brought to you by the ACA, improving the paddle sports experience for over a century. Learn more at americancanoe.org. Power boats and larger sailboats need ramps or designated areas for launching and landing. Paddlers, on the other hand, have the luxury of being able to put in and take out on beaches, banks, or almost anywhere that the shoreline is accessible by foot. This certainly does not mean that ramps are off limits to paddlers, but it does mean that paddlers should be considerate of bigger boats and work cooperatively with them so that everyone can efficiently and safely launch and land. With that being said, here are a few important points to consider. First off, it needs to be understood that the ramp should only be used when you're ready to launch or land. Any packing, setting up, or gearing up should be done away from the ramp where other boat traffic won't be impeded. In some cases, it'll be easier to walk your ready-to-go boats or board down or up the ramp, while at other times, you may choose to bring your vehicle down the ramp to load or unload your boat. Either way, all preparations need to be done away from the ramp in order to minimize the time spent there. Also, remember how small you and your paddlecraft are compared to the other boats. You can't assume other vehicles and boats see you, or even know that you're there. This is why it's a good idea to stay well to one side of a ramp, or on busy days, make the decision to find a quieter spot to launch. Once on the water, you need to move out of the immediate launching area as soon as possible. If you're waiting for others, move well off to the side to do so, and then when everyone is ready, paddle away from the loading zone as a tight group that makes it easy for other boat traffic to see and avoid you. Make sure to avoid paddling behind bigger boats or anywhere where you're not highly visible to them. A hard-to-see paddler can really get hurt if they're in the wrong place. So there you have it, a few simple ideas that will help keep you safer at the boat launch and help things move more smoothly for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to the Paddle TV YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.